Hi, this is Christy with Rogue Media here at the Dallas Harley-Davidson 2012 Blood, Sweat, and Gears annual bike build. The bike build's already going on inside. Let's go take a look and see this new Harley-Davidson trike.
Tallahatchie, roll, Tallahatchie, roll over me. Tallahatchie, roll, Tallahatchie, roll over me. I've been running, come cover me.
Hi, we're here with Sean at Dallas Harley-Davidson and going to ask him a couple questions today. Sean, what can you tell me about the Dallas Harley-Davidson location?
Well, Dallas Harley-Davidson originated from Connolly Harley-Davidson, and one of the stores that branched off from them. And we've been in this location for about 9 years now, and just made up of a bunch of good employees that love Harley-Davidson motorcycles.
I've got to tell you, this bike build you guys have going on today is amazing. And this is the third one, is that correct?
Yes, this is our third annual bike build, and this year we chose to build a trike.
And why'd you guys pick a trike as opposed to a two-wheeled Harley-Davidson?
Well, a lot of dealerships build and dress up the two-wheel motorcycles, and the trike has not really been something that's been done too often, especially at the dealership level, and we really wanted to show how cool you can actually make a trike. So we got a lot of vendors involved, some local people, Other Side Customs to do the paint, Performance Machine Kuryakn parts, Mustang seats, and aggressive suspension.
I've got to tell you, it looks amazing, and I personally am in love with this murdered out finish, this matte black finish. It's beautiful. How about you? What's your favorite part of this bike?
I think it's definitely the paint job and the wheels. The wheels are what's going to make it stand out. You very rarely see custom wheels on a trike, and Performance Machine went over the top with the set of wheels for us.
Tallahatchie, roll, Tallahatchie, roll over me. I've been running, come cover me. Tallahatchie, roll, Tallahatchie, roll over me. Tallahatchie, roll, Tallahatchie,